You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Spanish, yes indeed. This is a name of Spanish origin. You'll find in Spanish-speaking countries. Stay tuned, I've got many more. So the Spanish pronunciation, also Mexican or South American, Maritza. Maritza. All right, Maritza. Therefore, in English, you can simply pronounce it as Maritza. Maritza from Spanish. Listen carefully again one last time. Maritza. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.